There are two things. Even NDC and Casa 24-hour economy, nobody wants us to even ask questions. And I mean, I'm putting it to President Mama. President Mama, what's now one my way? Almost say vision, no agenda. I'm telling you, President Mama. They are spoiling, damaging, denigrating your own agenda and vision. Because a coup for by 1.5 years, not 3 years, no, a year. Now, there were problems with it. Accommodation, yeah, but they were rolling it out.
I was a former money, I'm a crabber, Edbagan and some TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Quality or baby agenda MPP. So the Munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu Idi. Ya me any am for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo me amade na asem bebe few. Now once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye print ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of the decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. There
are two things. Even NDC and Casa 24-hour economy, nobody wants us to even ask questions. And I mean, I'm putting it to President Mama. President Mama, what's now one my own crop for way? Almost say vision, no agenda. I'm telling you, President Mama. They are spoiling, damaging, denigrating your own agenda and vision. Because a coup for by 1.5 years, not 3 years, no, a year. Now, there were problems with it. Accommodation, yeah, but they were rolling it out. Meanwhile, 1.5 years of President Mama, Anka by now, and can rolling out at least 24-hour economy in major cities. Accra, Tema, Kumasi, Takrade, Tamale, at least can rolling out 24-hour economy, no. To 1.5 years old. Nipa boni for no more President Mama, Huna President Mama, onye they have convinced him say yankochi abronye. Meanwhile, you are diverting your own energy to arresting your political opponent. I won't even say case enkosi hute. And then to so puni the NLB enkosi hute. And you end up making Abronye the hero of MPP. It's Abronye crank ordinarily in the next election and Abronye beluzo. But because of this perceived persecution, Abronye may win.
What did you promise?
There go happen me about. What did you say? Yati to win himself would Jones or how? Or Jones or problem. Nakamoko checking who so do our benum.
Ananto diapers, anamanito diapers. Ananto diapers, pay for diapers.
Go be ana jata ne pam na na adwuntia.
Yati so crop, yati so crop.
And the attitude on socket also into an appointment abono. Ne contract abono.
The just a baby.
I'm farmer no. Me say. Ne ho papa ne say and adwuma abrantie so what adwuma ne say wonu ankasa kura no onim adwuma no and na tese mana ode the oje ni sika oje the oje ne card call campaign oje and waba no wo che Ghana adwuma emma Malik Basantali nkwasi asema ode ko promise ni kromfo nyina wonye ba akukura wo enso ma egu akra no ode wo mo atwasi na lady ba kwa me ref ni December kaya lady bi I think say last year say early this year and obe criticize NDC about why kokko me ref ni din why not na kokko ni mu odu kakra ewo GH1 ono dia Malik enyanwe
They won't fefe bi no beto to ma a friend say.
Well, no,
NDC for
then when you
Or the Lily Mohammed.
Lily,
Lily.
Yeah, or your decent girl. I know her.
Decent. Where you decent? When you anti position, you did by my lady, no. Malik was actually in the ATM. Semfa. My family unqualified. Otimi ko bien na no kaso unqualified, but the secret ni say enko okopega na we amfa. Na die hu ni say omo WhatsApp platform. Akwa bi na ye frɛ no Padmon anu odi NSet no. Se omunya wi a ne ye paase wo. Ba ko wi a ne asapa ya mo obi foforo asaba. Near the party, Ghana Sika, twa promise man. Eti nkofo bebre omudi yawo ewo NDC party asiasiale mana omo ofa kakra na em say ya mpaase wo omunti no ade no omo appointment na amfa.
Ekia, my send you ade bi wa check.
Ebi mo kra ba TikTok kasa mobo. Hwe man ya woda so yi. Okay. Eyam chese eyam awreho se ono apepre no ho ede ne nsa ene ne ho ene ne kra akose sa asem wemu na ebia nyame mu
bi on Ghana meka no ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba ho a because benefo ne no pe no mote ase picketing ne demonstration ne no language o mote ase ano no enti fa ho jim bi because at the end of the day no me posting e ebo am emfa me ho how we here on so obaho tie de be ka ho asem or it's up to you to show up what's in common ase it's mon share because posting no yes
so bia ka say we should go and sell indomie ono ne ba to indomie ye na ka say be to indomie Ghana how when they be go school when they be nurse when they be midwife ni so annoying and frustrating. We should turn to armed robbers or we should turn to prostitutes. What exactly is the problem? The government must do better. Yeah, bring a need free. Our parents will suffer, thinking that at the end our kids will come and take care of us, and we are still home, still begging our parents for food. Why? I don't need a caricature. I want me them. What is it? What is it? Minister can't do something or do something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that me pass them all and be post them just can best be post them. About OTFA. It's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. Abba dang. It's not fiato. You want us come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. Oh, when we're paying the school fees and we're paying the money to the ministries, you didn't do it this way. But I do some of them you fulfill your part of the promise. No, but than if you once. Yanko kana munkasi muadie. What are move viewers? Recruitment move viewers. Are they? Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a yan ye post here. Ye sanko interview. Are they? Nam fama mon crofo. Ye can catch us any evidence. And people are selling slots all around. And mano kana ye mobo. Mamenka. Oh.
Na botra kraba. Enya bobo ya pragia. Ni enya whole president or inspector sadia we. Na minta kando di animu. E di asemo a ye de pragia tricycle aba ye de kosa ya de awukurase. Knowing very well say nkurase kwan bebre nya.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Ye wo ba bi asa bobo ya no entimi nko. Ana nipa no ya de no hia comfort. Because ambulance kofa obi a what the oxygen esilipa no so. Sane be nipa no betime nya home. Ni atimi rush ne de adu the nearest hospital. Abobo ya no oxygen wo. Sa tricycle no oxygen wo. Tricycle no wo bi oyade no obetimi adam ama ne ho ato no. Sa Ghana yem painfo yade a ye de omu sie du prem kwa buruchire no tricycle ne betimi sa pepepe.
Hey, President Mahama.
Yeah, because NDC appointees, ministers, CSOs, omo yade chief executive officers, omo yade sabi yam for munsi sa pragianum. I don't want to believe some entire candle. Neba yade sa pragiano and abobo yano na den beko hospital. Flight pam not den kwabruchire. Enti ya e wo from ho ye won kronkuma mu ne de sabi kwa apia ne aboa ye moa. Enti mon fa pragia me dada he say ye dia de papa bi aba e dia de a free primary health care. Ye ni so di hu. Na ye dia me back kwa bena 8 years akraba ba nya sa ni so di hu ni bi o. Wei. Say na mamu no tie de a ene ye Ghana to no me back kwa bena 8 years ye mfa ma no obeye bibia kama won fa pragia ma. Bahama. What the yaka? Akraba adia ba ko ma san dia ba ni say 24-hour machine.
Chicken kunda dada. And I say I'm a suma udi for my mom miska no to make about cook. Meaning baby or Virginia. Bruce Kurabi say, I Washington DC. Washington State. No mama ko one chicken kunu simple no be jubilate. You are more NDC for NKWASIAFUOR NDC no mushroom. Obey disease. Also meaning to me who say me mo be akukuno.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one sanya money in our form it is just often to start this question well musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to ask
legitimate question.
He did not ask out of ignorance.
Me Pacho man kasa he asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance. Me say man kasa me tell on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cosru.
But the
Jawa can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will be increased, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increased, you know. A better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my, me tell you, and I told Amanda Maker here. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch you say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about my cancer petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know some man here can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia am no mushia but nanka we my no the phone chem so moko e fe say a port wa ne ma no from kaka nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no e ba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa ma no o moko fa ne ma ne ba o mo tete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity ne ma so aban kreti petro ensi so
is right obisa me no we
so at the end of
what you say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no yen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no
but this is an AG who will come and bastardize people pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?